Hey everybody. So we are standing in the back corner of the new duck yard. You can see our new friends chilling right over there, doing a slow pan for you. You can see that the hand dug pond is inside. We're going to have those guys working on it starting tonight. A little bit of pallet structure left, but once we have a little bit more access to some more welded wire, we'll finish tying this all together, get it all blocked off. But let's walk through. We do have some bittersweet that is going to have to be trimmed back, but that's not too much of a concern. We'll be taking some of the wood chips and litter from the new chicken yard and depositing it here, letting nature do its thing, letting the ducks do their thing. This will be kind of a dual purpose duck and human yard. Maybe put in a tree or something like that, maybe a couple in this bed. Give them some daytime shade and some areas to play under, frolic in, fruit drop. A little jank, but working with what we've got. Come back and make adjustments as we go. But you can see that these little guys here are living large and loving their new space. Here you can see the new chicken yard. Come up over the top. Got a nice little shade shed for them during the hot parts of the day. But they've also got this autumn olive that they can climb under. We've got tons of baby staghorn sumacs. We'll see what they do with that. Mountains of wood chips. We've started training the blackberries and raspberries up through the fencing. And we've got our gojis, gooseberries, lavenders, strawberries, yarrow, various other things in the bed just on the other side of that fence. Step back a little bit. You can see we've added some more wood chips and a second bed area just beyond it. Do a little uphill change in elevation, give us a little bit more sun exposure for some of these. Maybe a little tough to see right now, but once there's plants in it, it'll really make a difference. Still doing a little bit of cleanup, but nice little gates. Everything's going smoothly. Got a nice little window for the chickens, so when they have a nice day out, we'll open that up. If it's really terrible, we'll close it up. Left all the controls on the outside for us. As you can see coming back here, the amount of shade provided by this autumn olive from the daytime sun. At its highest, the sun comes through about there. There's all this cover that'll eventually drop fruit for the birds right here. Then it's just all blackberries and strawberries, some logs for adventure. I think it's a really nice chicken space. I think it'll be good for them. As these guys grow, We'll do a couple more cuttings a little bit closer to the fence line and train those up and over so that there's an additional fruit drop for the birds. Just give them even more adventure and variety. But yeah, big changes. Have all this space now. Can't wait to have a vegetable garden closer to the house. That's going to do it for right about now. By the next time I show you guys some videos, hopefully we'll have some things painted. A little bit more chicken wire. We'll have a little bit of feedback from the birds about their new spaces. But for right now, bird yards are completed. We have access to everything. We have beds ready for fresh compost. We have easy access and doorways on all of them. And now it's just waiting for some yields out of the new spaces and refining workflow. Hope you guys have had a great weekend. Catch you all soon. Thanks for watching.